Alright, I got 2 boxes. I got one 06-07 EX basketball, which I'm going to do second. And the first one, 06-07 Bowman Draft Picks and Stars basketball. And you get 1 autograph and 2 relics per box on average. And there's also man, I can't get that open. There's also hot boxes that have double the hits. So you also get a couple like refractors or something per box. But I think you get a rookie in every pack or some garbage like that. I don't know. But I got this box at blowoutcards.com. So check out their site. They have this box right now for $25 or like 25 bucks. So, you know, check it out. Pretty good deal. First pack, we got Sheldon Williams rookie. We got a chrome rookie, David Noel autograph rookie. Not the greatest, but I don't know. And then another rookie of Patrick O'Brien. Pack 2. Rashard Lewis, the new Magic, had a good game last night. Sergio Rodriguez, Bowman Chrome, and a John Wooden card, base card. Pretty cool. Looks like we have a hit in here. Orlando Magic, JJ Redick, jersey card. This is from the McDonald's All-American game when he was in high school. So that's cool. And then we have a Yao Ming X-Fractor numbered at a 150 and a Paul Davis rookie card. Alright. This is the 4th pack and we have a lot of hits so far, so looks like we got another one. Maybe it's a hot box? I don't know. We have this is a cool one. Chris Paul jersey card. Never pulled one of him, so that's kind of neat. Mike Bibby Chrome and Rudy Gay rookie card. I think he'll have a good year this year. He's pretty solid, and Memphis has him starting, so. Darko, the ex-Magic. And Paul Millsap rookie card. It's a little different. Has him doing a dunk, which is a lot different than the other rookies. Ronnie Brewer rookie card. Marty Collins rookie. Base. Joe Johnson. Jim Calhoun. Base card. That's cool. Coaches. I like how they put the coaches in the set. It's kind of, you know, different, unique. Marcus Williams, rookie card. Marcus Vinicus, rookie card. Alright, 8 packs left. Base. Let's see. PJ Tucker, rookie card. Shannon Brown rookie, and a Leon Powell rookie. Solomon Jones rookie card, and a Rodney Carney rookie. 6 packs left, I think. Quincy Doobie rookie card. Two Iversons right back to back, Bowman and Bowman Chrome. Oh, then we got a Chrome rookie card of Brandon Roy. That's kind of cool. And a Ronaldo Balkman rookie. Alright, 3 packs left. Got a, who's this? Sean Williams rookie, and a Rajon Rondo rookie. 2 packs left. Dwight Howard, it's nice for me. Marcus Vinicius Bowman Chrome rookie, and Randy Foy, last pack. Oh, it looks like it has our other X-Fractor or whatever. Ugh, not a fan of his. Kwame Brown, numbered at 249, and a Maurice Ager rookie card. Stay tuned for the recap. Alright, recap. We got our autograph was David Noel. We got a Yao Ming X-Fractor numbered out of 150, and a Kwame Brown refractor numbered out of 249. One of our jerseys, JJ Redick. This is from the McDonald's All-American game. It's the high school, all the best high school players playing it. So that's kind of unique because that jersey is probably a few years old. And a Chris Paul jersey. And then all these nice rookies. And then these Bowman Chrome, one of them being Brandon Roy, so that was nice. But I don't know. Thanks for watching.